Torin. Torin. Where is he? I'm gonna get him. Open the door, Torin. Where are you? Oh, I found him! He took off his socks. What are you doing in there? You're silly. Did you take off your socks? You're going to take off your pants, too? You're taking off your socks and pants? Why are you taking your pants off? You can do it. Show me how. Pull, 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 pull. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Good job. Now pull in the front. Good job.